Shenzhen HongYiAn Electronics was established in 2012. There are more than 200 employees, plant area of 2,300 square meters, 10 years of industry experience, cooperate with over 300 well-known customers around the world. We have professional design team, customize products according to customers' request. Provide OEM and ODM service. Main products are PCB connectors, terminal blocks, wire harness and assembly cable. Male pin and female pin headers, box and ejector headers, DIN 41612, machined pin header, IDC socket connectors, FPC, wafers and housings, SCSI, D-sub, waterproof power connector, modular jack RJ45, audio adapter. Products are widely used in industrial and power control, electronic communications, security, LED photoelectric, liquid crystal display, new energy, inverter system, medical equipment, automotive electronics, computer mainboard, electronic toys, all kinds of consumer electronics, electrical appliances and so on. Provide reliable connectors for domestic and foreign customers. We have precision high-speed punch, high-speed cutting machine, plastic mold, injection molding machine, fully automatic peeling, core stripping, tin dipping machine, automatic terminal pressing, tin dipping machine, automatic assemble machines. Laboratory testing equipment, CCD, projector salt spray test grinding miller, etc. with strong production delivery ability and quality control. Welcome cooperation.